smile lines, laugh lines, marionette lines, whatever you want to call them, and then those fine little lines that happen, especially on those of us that are over 40, above the lip and below the lip. All of those can be dealt with some really simple facial exercises that I learned a long time ago and use myself, and have actually done full videos on the channel about this before. But today I'm going to demonstrate a couple of moves that can make a big difference, especially over time. And then I'm going to talk about a specialized product that you can use to help soften and plump those lines out immediately and help them improve over time. Now, if you happen to be new to my channel and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson, a skincare expert, helping folks find skincare that's going to work for them, not empty their wallet, and not do them more harm than good. So if that sounds like you and something you've been looking for here on YouTube, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. But let's jump right into these exercises first, and then again, I want to share a specialized product that can really help make a difference, enhance the effects of these exercises, and help lift out those types of lines. Now, one thing you need to know, marionette lines, or those little creases, dimples, whatever a lot of people like to call them, that show up and then form right past the nose and tend to get deeper with time as we get older and lose facial fat. For some, it's genetic. They're not going to go all the way away. It's just the way your face is structured. So if you've had those indentations, those marionette type lines on your face since you were in your teens, not going to go all the way away unless you do something like a filler. And truly, on most people, they are a very defining feature that actually make folks look nice. But I get it. Not everybody feels that way. And as we get older and they become deeper and darker, a lot of people want to improve the way they look. So the first facial exercise, super simple. You do this exercise 5 times in a row. Yes, you can do it daily if you want to, but it will begin to show improvement in this area by helping to strengthen the muscles just underneath the cheeks and give them a natural lift. And the way we perform this first set of exercises to lift the cheeks, very simple. Palms of the hands placed just below the cheekbone. Make sure it's not on the cheekbone, but below. And we're going to lift and massage this muscle with the palm of our hands, lifting it just to the cheekbone itself. We're going to hold that for a count of 3, and you do these 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, and relax. Then again, 1, 2, 3, and relax. And then again, 1, 2, 3, and relax. And as you do these, you will feel this area of the face tighten and lift, which really does help make a big difference in these. So 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, relax, and then lift up again. 1, 2, 3, and relax. Again, very simple to do. You will feel a difference in the muscular tone of your face immediately after doing those exercises. This next set of exercises, again, very simple to do. You're gonna make an L shape with your hands, placing the thumb just under the lower jaw and the fingertips on the temple area. We're gonna lift and pull back for just 15 seconds, or a count of 15. We're going to do this 3 times. This helps to improve all of the area of the face, and it also helps lift and tighten the jawline, which everybody likes that too, right? So we're going to do this again, the count of 15 seconds, and then relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, and relax. And we're going to do this again for the second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And if you're like me, your hands actually get tired doing this exercise. It's a lot of tension in your hands, and we don't want to overdo the tension there. So that's why using this L shape is so great, because it helps distribute the pressure points evenly and gives you a lot more control over this exercise. So we do 1 more time, count of 15, and then we're done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And just like the previous set of exercises, once you're done, you are going to feel the activation of those muscles in the face, and you're going to see a much more lifted look. Okay, this third exercise, really important when it comes to help soften the look of marionette lines, to help plump out those fine lines that happen of the upper lip. We're going to make an O using our lips, and we're going to take our fingertips and massage those areas lightly with the fingers while we hold the tension in our lips. Very simple. You can do this exercise 3 to 5 times. There's really not a count. It just takes like 5 to 10, maybe 15 seconds to do it. Once I demonstrate it, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. But again, very simple, yet very effective. So we're going to make the letter O with our lips, and then we're going to use our fingers to massage. So that's it for that type of exercise. You can do it a couple of times more. Again, the O letter with your lips, massaging with your fingers upward and then back down to help improve circulation and muscle tone in this area of the face. Do it one more time. That's it for those exercises. All of them very simple. All of them are going to activate the muscles just under the skin, helping to lift and tighten the whole area, improve circulation, and improve the look over time. How much time, you're probably wondering? When it comes to facial yoga exercises, within a few days to a week of doing them consistently, almost everyone sees a very visible improvement. All right, now let's talk about skincare products and what will actually help with these areas. And there are very few skincare products that are designed specifically for these areas, but Dermelect, which is one of the brands I really like, has one. I've done a full review on this before because it works so well. It's a professional strength upper lip and perioral marionette line treatment that works really, really well, has a specially designed tip to help you get the product where you need it to go. It's specially formulated with Matrixyl 3000 peptides to help lift and tighten that area of the skin. Those are amino acids that your skin knows how to use. Hyaluronic filling spheres, which are absorbed into the surface layers of the skin, plumping it out and pulling out those wrinkles. Also contains alpha-arbutin, which we've talked about before, helps to lighten any dark patches or areas. It also has a very mild retinol to help speed up cellular turnover that works to instantly soften the look of those fine lines, stop lipstick feathering, help plump out marionette lines, laugh lines, what have you, and give that area of the face a very nice, youthful, plump, elastic look. For the best results, Dermelect suggests you apply this twice a day, morning and evening. You just simply go to the area that you want to treat, and their ceramic applicator helps you to smooth the product into those areas. Now I have a mustache right now, so obviously I'm not going to do my upper lip. I don't have lip lines there anyway. But if you do, this will help greatly improve those and stop lipstick feathering out into those lines for those of you who are wearing cosmetics. And like every video, I will put a link down below in the video description box for this product. I highly recommend you go read about it. Take a look at their information on the website. If you decide to use a product like this, always come back and let us know how it's working for you because it helps everybody. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video I picked out for you next. Thank you guys for joining me today. I appreciate you. Stay beautiful. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.